Hello, Parker. What has gotten you interested, huh? Hmm? Do you see something that you like, good sir? Yes? Oh, I dropped it. That's not for you. Come here. You gonna get it, huh? That's not how you reach it. You're not trying very hard, are you, buddy? Try harder. Just don't claw up my legs. Oh, you gonna get it? You gonna get it? Whoa! I think the worst enemy to Parker catching something is Parker. Are you gonna get it? You gonna get it? Huh? It's going over this way. It's going over that way. Somebody's gonna hit his head on that thing so hard. Table or a wall or something. Zoom. He's not playing fetch anymore, though. I think he just does that with his feather ball thingy. Love when he skids. Oh, he's knocked it under the couch. He likes doing that. Oh, he got it. Good boy. He likes to carry it around all proud like. Oops. I was gonna carry it around. Kind of. Maybe. Bored with it, huh? You're gonna attack my leg instead? Go fetch! Fetch! He always goes skitter, 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 and then he slides all the way over. You gonna get it? Huh? How are you gonna get it? It's all the way up in the air, huh? Whoa! That doesn't count as getting it. No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Yeah, if he slides on the hardwood, he really slides in the kitchen. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. What are you doing? You're ridiculous. Yes, you are. Can you say hi to the camera? Huh? No, you're gonna say hi to my hand. Now you can say hi. Kind of. Where are you going?